Hey guys, this is Jam of JamOnline.ph and we got here the MSI Summit E13 Flip EVO A13M. So this is one of their latest 13th generation Intel laptops, and it comes with an Intel Core i7 1360p processor. For the display, there's the 13.4-inch Full HD Plus 16 by 10 display, but it also comes with a 120 Hz refresh rate. And since this is a laptop that goes like this, it's a two-in-one laptop. It comes with a touchscreen and support for MSI Pen. Unfortunately, we do not have the MSI Pen right now, but if I do have that right now, I could use it for drawing, annotations, and anything that I want for the Summer 13, E13 rather. Alright, just to give you a short idea about this laptop, I actually like this one for typing. If you've watched my reviews before of MSI laptops that is similar to this, the Prestige laptop, we do have a really good keysing here, very optimized for typing. The quality that I'm getting for the Summit E13 for my first impression for the typing was quite good. It's really great for content creators like me, for bloggers who love to type on, you could use for office, for work, if you're typing your thesis. This one comes really useful. So yeah, I do like the layout of the keyboard, and also the keys, and also the response of the Summit E13 Flip Evo. And again, it comes with a flip design, so if I need to annotate, to write on, if I need to draw anything on the laptop with the MSI Pen, unfortunately I do not have the MSI Pen right now, this one would come really useful. Alright, so this one comes with a thin and light design. I do like it, and it comes with everything that you need. The slider for the webcam. There's the USB-C port over here. I believe this is a SIM card slot. There's the headphone jack, and then there's the two USB Type-C in here. One of it is a Thunderbolt 4. I believe one is, actually there are two Thunderbolt 4 ports on this one, and then there's the USB 3.2 over here. That is really useful. It's so light, it's so thin, and as for the material, yes, it comes with plastic design, but it's very light, and it's very premium to hold. It's one of the plastics materials that I prefer having on a laptop, because it comes with a lighter design but also a more premium design. As for this one, we got here the fingerprint scanner, and again, the keyboard layout is quite fine. The trackpad is wide, just like the MSI Prestige that we have reviewed before, and I prefer having a wider trackpad because it lets me navigate on the websites and do anything faster with a wider touchpad. As for the bezels over here, we got here some thin bezels, the webcam, the 1080p webcams over here, and yeah, that is it for a short hands-on of the Summit E13 Flip EVO A13M.